Congratulations on choosing Danfoss, the leader in floor heating solutions. Since Danfoss was established in 1933 in Denmark, it has become the world's leading manufacturer of electric floor heating systems. In the next few minutes, we'll explain to you how to install the Danfoss LX mat and cable floor heating systems. Please be aware of the following before installing your new Danfoss LX mat. Do not cut the red cable. Only a licensed electrician can perform the final wiring. Avoid dropping or placing sharp objects on the heating cables. Do not overlap or cross the cables. Don't attempt to repair the cables unless you have the proper repair kit and instructions available from Danfoss. Fully read and understand the entire installation instructions included in the package before installing your new Danfoss LX product. Ensure you have a clean and level subfloor. The first thing you need to do before you purchase your LX mat is to measure the area of the room that needs to be heated. Keep in mind, areas such as counters, toilets, and sinks will not need to be heated. Unlike many other mats and cables, Danfoss mats and cables are approved for wet locations, such as shower stalls. Next, choose an LX mat that is slightly smaller than the area you've measured. Danfoss mats are available in various sizes, ranging from 10 square feet to 145 square feet, and can be combined to cover even larger areas. You will then need to determine the line voltage based on the area you want to heat, either 120 volts or 240 volts. Danfoss recommends that you use a dedicated circuit. The next thing you'll want to do is choose a Danfoss LX thermostat. Danfoss offers a variety of thermostats that can meet all of your needs. The Danfoss LX thermostats are capable of measuring floor and ambient room temperature and a combination of both. We also offer 7-day programmable and manual thermostats. You will want to take these options into consideration when choosing your LX thermostat. Consult our catalog or website for more information. www.danfosslx.com. Tools recommended for installation: digital ohm meter or multimeter, tape measure, Danfoss little buzzer, chisel and hammer, scissors, screwdriver, glue gun or duct tape is optional. Pre-install preparation. When your Danfoss LX mat arrives, the following contents will be found within the box: LX Dual Self-Adhesive Heating Mat, factory cut and terminated to the appropriate length, sensor conduit, your warranty card, warning labels, and, most important, the installation instructions. Using your digital ohm meter or multimeter, take the first of 3 mandatory resistance readings on the 2 power leads. Record the readings on your warranty card and compare it to the reading on the white label on the power lead. If it's not within plus or minus 10%, please return the product to your point of purchase for exchange. You will also want to take a resistance reading between each power lead and ground wire to ensure the reading is 0. You can continuously measure continuity with the Danfoss little buzzer. Simply attach the ground and power wires to detect any break that might occur during installation. If a break occurs, the buzzer will sound like this. Next, you'll want to determine the location of your Danfoss LX thermostat. Notch out a channel deep enough to insert the sensor conduit. Install the floor sensor in the conduit. Check building codes in your area to determine if a power conduit is needed. tape up the end of the conduit. Remove any debris that was created while placing the notched channel. Install appropriate electrical wire from the power source to the thermostat, following all codes. A licensed electrician is required for all electrical connections. The Danfoss LX mat is dual adhesive, in that the fiberglass mesh is adhesive, as well as the tape on the mat itself. This ensures that the mat stays in place when you apply the thin set or self-leveler, saving you a lot of your valuable time. You may need to notch out the subfloor to accept the thicker power lead splice diameter. The splice must be embedded into the floor. Danfoss mats can be installed on any subfloor, including plywood, concrete, or backer board. Now you are ready to install your Danfoss LX mat. Simply roll out the mat in accordance with your pre-planned layout, making sure the adhesive side of the mat is laying down towards the subfloor. Make sure that the sensor is placed between two of the red cables on the mat. If you need to move the mat, you can simply lift it off the subfloor and place it back down again. The mat will still adhere. The Danfoss LX mat can be easily customized right on the job site with a pair of scissors. Do not cut the red cable. When approaching a wall or other object, cut the gray fiberglass mesh, twist, and turn the mat. The mat can be easily customized along an angled wall. Using duct tape or hot glue is optional. Never space the cable less than 1 inch apart. The Danfoss LX mat can be customized in many different configurations. Install the Danfoss LX mat at least 6 inches away from drains. With the product laid out on the subfloor, it is now time to take a second resistance reading with the digital ohm meter. Record the measurement on your warranty card. Danfoss also recommends taking a photo of the layout for future reference. You now have two options. Apply a self-leveling scratch coat that would cover the red cable. You may then proceed with your floor installation. Alternatively, you can proceed to tile directly over the LX mat, preferably applying the thin set with a plastic trowel and taking care not to damage the red cable. When you're done installing the tile, take a third reading with the digital ohm meter and record it on your warranty card. Thermostat installation. Your thermostat packaging will consist of the following: Danfoss thermostat, user manual, instructions, sensor. Be sure to familiarize yourself with the Danfoss LX thermostat and read the manual before installation. We recommend leaving the little buzzer continuity tester connected to the LX mat power leads until the licensed electrician is on site and ready to make the termination to the line voltage. Install the thermostat and test the unit. The Danfoss LX thermostat is designed specifically for use with the Danfoss LX heating mats and cables. It will provide you with an easy and efficient means of regulating the floor heating. Send in your warranty card with everything filled out to activate your warranty. The Danfoss LX mat heating system cannot be turned on until the tiles are firmly set and dry. Please check with the thin set manufacturer for curing time. You now have an elegant new tiled floor, which will give you a pleasant warm floor and bring a little warmth into your life. Danfoss LX cable. Danfoss also offers the option of installing loose cable to warm your floors. The only difference is in the installation of the actual cable. You will still need to follow the pre-installation instructions as well as the wiring instructions we previously mentioned. The warranty card still needs to be filled out in the same manner as the Danfoss LX mat. Danfoss LX cable comes in various lengths and is available in 120 volt and 240 volt cables. You will receive your cable as well as Danfoss LX strapping, warranty card, labels, and installation manual. You will need to attach the strapping no more than 3 feet apart to the subfloor. Next, you will need to use between 2 to 4 inch spacing when placing the cable. Danfoss recommends 3-inch standard spacing. Clip the LX cable in place using the built-in clips in the cable strapping. Try to avoid walking on the heating cables and mat at all times. You are now ready to apply thinset in the same manner as it's applied to the Danfoss LX mat, preferably applying it with a plastic trowel and taking care not to damage the red cable. The thinset depth needs only to cover or scratch coat the top of the red cables while maintaining a level layer. Send in your warranty card with everything filled out to activate your warranty. The Danfoss LX mat heating system cannot be turned on until the tiles are firmly set and dry. Please check with the thinset manufacturer for curing time. If you have any further questions, please visit our website at www.danfosslx.com or call toll-free 1-866-676-8062.